I don't care. I'm not going with him. I'll go for 3.
Am I recording?
I'm gonna go for 3.
It is. I'm recording too, right?
Yeah, you are. Am I?
Yeah.
You only have one. You only have a bar battery.
Are you serious? I charged it.
I was gonna say.
You only have 2 though.
I had 2. No, you don't. No, I don't.
Yeah, for real though, you only have 2.
There's no way.
Adam, it's away.
I just charged
You
it.
have 2 hours of video.
I started my I started my GoPro battery's not like bad. I started my GoPro battery's bad because it's always had 2 bars. I charge it full.
Everybody good. Zach last. I'm gonna run for 3.
I'm not running. Not running? Where's 3? I'll go with you, Potter.
Guys. Let's all get our sprinter stuff.
Get ready.
Wait, 3? Isn't that right in front of us? Yeah. Behind 5.
No, 3. Ah! I can't run with this shit on. Can't run with this shit. Potter! Look out! I don't know. They didn't hit me. Are they in here?
Yeah, they are. He's 4 on 3.
Okay. Look out! One of the windows at 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock.
The fuck out?
12 o'clock. Go. We got 2. Go. Potter, we got a couple. Zach, are you in here too? Couple of them on right. Zach, can you see them if they come in here? Zach. Oh, that's you, Potter?
Yeah.
Yeah, watch that door. I hear shit. God damn it, you're in the way. Look out. Run. You're hit. Got him. Oh, come on. Come out of here. I dare him. Come on. Oh, no. Got him. Got him.
Nice, Adam.
What the fuck? Oh, we got guys on the right. Got 1. Damn, I have like 6 kills already. Look out. Fire coming in that window. Alright, I'll be back here. Potter, you tell me when they're in here. Get ready.
They're pushing around.
Potter, I'm in this back corner. Alright. We got a lot of fire in this window. I killed too many of them. Get ready, Potter. Oh, Potter. Potter, scream fuck face if they're coming in. Alright. Bang! Potter, you... Bang! Bang! Bang!
Yeah.
Bang! Bang! Bang!
Hit!
We're hit! We're hit! Coming out of the trailer! Coming out! Look out! Look out! We're coming out! We're coming out!
Heads up!
We're...
Go that way. Oh, I forgot I had my knife on.
I don't feel like running.
Look, everybody just shooting themselves. No, it's so hard. Guys!
Lance, don't trip.
Run.
Let's go, Lance. All right, take cover. We're gonna shoot him. We're gonna shoot him from here, Zach. Where are they? We got. I took a fight. And moving on to this barrel. Full auto. Get down.
Watch out, watch out!
What's that building? Oh shit. Fuck! I need to get out of here. Fuck! I wish I could get them all. Shit! There's so many of them! I can't fucking move anywhere! Shit, I gotta reload! We got him! Come on, come on. There's so many of them! Got him! Potter! Oh no!
Brown fort, watch brown fort, release.
I got him.
Fire.
Shit! I just got a lot. Is my angle good, Lance?
Yeah.
Okay, good. We got a lot in front of us. Look out on the right! On the right! I'm pinned here. Fuck. Good job, Potter. It's all right. Look out in the trees. Got him. We got a lot. Look out in front of us.
Adam, keep fire on that window.
I know. I gotta reload. Cover me. Gotta reload on it. Look out in front of the building.
Adam, we gotta retreat.
No, we don't.
Adam, we're gonna lose this spot. We're the only two. Adam.
Shit, I gotta reload.
Let's go.
Okay, fuck, go. Fuck. Fuck. Not that. Sure. Zach! Potter!